Warm meals bring people together, especially when everything cooks right at the table. Best hot pot options combine fast heating, adjustable temperature, and spacious design to handle meats, vegetables, and broth easily. Here are top picks that deliver convenience, flavor, and reliable performance. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Dezin Depth Hot Pot. The Dezin Depth Hot Pot is a thoughtfully designed electric cooker that makes preparing hot pot meals at home both convenient and enjoyable. One of its most appealing features is the integrated S-shaped divider that allows you to cook 2 different broths at the same time. This is perfect for households or gatherings where people prefer different flavors, such as spicy and mild. The divider is seamlessly built into the pot to prevent leakage or overflow between the sections, ensuring each broth maintains its unique taste. Because the pot is PFOA-free, it also offers a safer cooking surface for everyday use. Performance is another strong point of this hot pot. With a maximum power output of 1500 watts, it heats quickly and distributes heat evenly throughout the pot. The double-tube heating design helps maintain consistent temperature across both sides, making it ideal for simmering broths, cooking noodles, or preparing meats and vegetables easily. It also includes 3 adjustable power settings, giving users the flexibility to simmer, stir-fry, steam, or slow cook depending on the recipe. This versatility turns the appliance into more than just a hot pot. It becomes a multi-purpose cooker for everyday meals. The removable 6-liter pot adds to the convenience of the design. Being detachable makes it easier to clean, carry, and store when not in use. Number 2. Zojirushi EP-PFC20HA Hot Pot. The Zojirushi EP-PFC20HA Hot Pot is a versatile electric skillet designed to make communal cooking both convenient and enjoyable. Known for its thoughtful engineering and reliable performance, this appliance stands out because it includes 2 interchangeable cooking pans. The deep pan features a built-in divider, allowing you to prepare 2 different types of hot pots simultaneously. This is ideal for families or gatherings where guests may prefer different broth flavors. Whether you're preparing a spicy broth on one side and a mild broth on the other, the divider helps keep flavors separate while cooking everything in a single appliance. Another unique feature of this hot pot is the additional dual-surface griddle pan. This interchangeable accessory expands the appliance's functionality beyond traditional hot pot cooking. With the griddle, users can easily grill meats, seafood, or vegetables directly at the table. This versatility transforms the unit into a multi-purpose cooking tool, suitable for a variety of meals, from Japanese-style hot pot dinners to casual tabletop grilling sessions. Temperature control is simple and precise with the adjustable dial that ranges from keep warm to high. This wide range of heat settings makes it easy to maintain broth at the ideal simmer while cooking ingredients gradually. It also allows for higher heat levels when grilling or searing foods on the griddle surface. Number 3. Aroma Housewares Hot Pot. The Aroma Housewares Hot Pot is a practical and efficient appliance designed for people who enjoy preparing hot pot meals at home. Built with convenience and versatility in mind, this electric cooker features a dual-sided stainless steel pot that allows users to create 2 separate broths at the same time. This design is perfect for households where family members prefer different flavors, such as a spicy broth on one side and a milder soup base on the other. The divider keeps the broths separate, so each side maintains its unique taste throughout the cooking process. One of the standout aspects of this hot pot is its large 5-quart capacity. This generous size makes it suitable for family dinners, gatherings with friends, or communal dining experiences. With plenty of space for meats, vegetables, noodles, and seafood, the cooker allows multiple ingredients to be prepared at once. The deep pot design also helps keep broth from splashing during cooking, making the overall experience more comfortable and less messy. The appliance is equipped with a powerful 1500-watt heating system that ensures fast and consistent heat. This strong heating capability allows broth to reach boiling temperature quickly and keeps ingredients cooking evenly. Whether you are simmering soup, blanching vegetables, or cooking thin slices of meat, the pot maintains stable heat for reliable results. Number 4. FGJ 1500 Watt Hot Pot. The FGJ 1500 Watt Hot Pot is designed to bring the traditional hot pot dining experience into the comfort of your own home. Built with powerful heating capability and a family-friendly design, this electric cooker makes it easy to prepare a wide range of dishes quickly. With a maximum output of 1500 watts, the appliance heats up rapidly and maintains a steady temperature, making it ideal for boiling broth, simmering soups, or cooking ingredients for shabu-shabu. The adjustable temperature knob allows you to easily control the heat level, ensuring that your broth stays at the perfect simmer throughout the meal. A standout feature of the FGJ Hot Pot is its dual-sided design with a built-in divider. This thoughtful feature allows two different broths to be prepared simultaneously in the same pot. Whether you prefer a spicy soup base while someone else prefers a milder flavor, the divider keeps both broths separated without mixing. This makes the cooker perfect for family meals, dinner parties, or gatherings where everyone may have different taste preferences. Capacity is another strong advantage of the FGJ Hot Pot. With a generous 6-liter cooking space, it offers enough room to prepare large portions for multiple people. You can easily cook meats, vegetables, seafood, noodles, and tofu all at once without overcrowding the pot. Number 5. AUTUCU N73SNA Hot Pot. The AUTUCU N73SNA Hot Pot is a versatile electric cooker designed to handle a variety of cooking tasks with ease. Unlike traditional single-purpose hot pots, this appliance is built as a multifunctional cooker that can be adapted for several different cooking styles. It comes with a long-handled pot that works with additional accessories, such as a steamer and grill plate, allowing users to switch between boiling, steaming, grilling, and frying. This flexibility makes it a convenient choice for households that want a compact appliance capable of preparing many types of meals. One of the highlights of this cooker is its PFOA-free ceramic non-stick coating. All surfaces that come in contact with food are coated with this durable ceramic layer, which helps prevent ingredients from sticking during cooking. The coating not only improves food release, but also simplifies cleaning after use. Because it is free from PFOA, it provides a safer cooking environment for everyday meal preparation. This feature is especially useful when cooking delicate foods, such as eggs, vegetables, or thin slices of meat. The cooker operates with a 1,000-watt heating system that provides reliable power for boiling, frying, and steaming. While it is slightly lower in wattage compared to some larger hot pots, it still offers efficient heating for everyday cooking needs. The appliance is designed specifically as an electric cooker rather than a slow cooker. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.